Ah, my brother, I saw you from the road.
Today, how you doing?
I was passing the road and I decided to say, let me share the word of God with you.
Are you sure you are fine?
I want to share the good news with you.
Are you playing?
You are running temperature. Stand up, let me pray for you. My brother, in the name wait!
Photo.
Hunger one key person, you dey pray for am. Na prayer need abi na food you need. You know the see person you dey preach give say hunger one key. This TP regime, hunger dey everywhere. Even boys no dey fit collect anything for street again. Everywhere dry. Give am money, make buy for me chop. If you don't buy the food, you don't chop.
Photo.
Take one.
Are you playing?
70 years old man.
Hey, school Petenya. Man of God, it's God that will bless you for me. Let me go and look for something to eat first. You sit down here and come back. I'm ready to listen to this word of God till Judgment Day.
Practically, people are really hungry.